Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDCHF today analysis. So before we start the analysis, you can see the results of my EA. This is a demo account for $10,000, as you can see, starting on September 5, as you can see, 2025, couple of months ago. So we made so far we made 29% growth. Okay, and this is a swing trading based robot. Okay, so it does not take trades every day, but it just makes money. Okay, so I have just transferred my human brain into this robot. Okay, so this is it, and that's all. If you want to check out this, then go and check out the first link below. And then coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, this was your what? This was your liquidity grab. Okay, so if you use the line right here, you see the liquidity has been taken, swiped out, accounts are blown up, stop losses are taken, and now we are going to go up. So coming back to daily, so this is your support level, and price has to bounce from here. So coming back to daily time frame, we can see we'll probably close above the, this is, let me check, this is 7929, 7933, 7928. Okay, so this looks like we are in the short-term uptrend. So you can see in a 4 hour the price has closed above the EMI, so we are going for this high. That's your TP bare minimum. Okay, so if you enter long, that's your TP right here. This high will be taken out, 80. That's your TP. Okay, so look for longs in USDCHF. If you want to trade USDCHF, I told you where to take your TP. That's your TP. That's your first TP. Okay, this is your TP number 1. This is your TP number 2. Okay, 8110 or 8100. That's your TP. This is your safe first TP. Okay, do whatever you like, and look for longs only. Subscribe, like blah blah blah, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.